I'm Andy from Howard's Hyundai in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this lovely Tucson. So this vehicle has 17-inch alloy wheels, tinted rear windows, there's front and rear parking sensors with a colour reversing camera. Now inside the car, the touchscreen has sat-nav, DAB digital radio, there's Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth connectivity. On top of this you get dual zone air conditioning, automatic headlights and wipers, and there's cruise control with the speed limiter. So let's have a look around. To tailor your experience to suit your current requirements, whether that's through our click and collect service, our home delivery service, or to arrange a time to view the vehicle at our dealership here in Taunton. We hope to see you soon. Thank you.